morning. I want to do a quick video this morning about, well, I got a flat tire the other day. I've been riding this bike hard every day for 6 months, and I finally got a flat tire, and it's on the back. This is an e-bike, so it's hard to change. So what I did was I used my slime tools. This tool removes the stem from the inner tube where you squirt the air in. I'll show you how to use that. This is what I used instead of slime. You know how slime is. This stuff is more like super glue. Works on the same premise. It stays wet in your tire, spins around and plugs the hole. And it's the next day. I did this yesterday and my tire's still holding air really well today. So hang on, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I hope I've got you in a good spot and I hope you can hear me. Here's my parts, here's my product. This costs about $3 at the bike shop. It's called No Tubes Tire Sealant. Stands No Tube Tire Sealants. First thing I did was remove this cap from here, from the stem. Then I used the slime 4-way tool to remove the stem inside of there. And how I did that was, it goes this way up. There's a flat piece here that spins around. That's the top. It fits into your tool thusly. It seats in there and spins around. Hope you can see that. So what you do is open up your little cap, attach this to the tool inside of there, and lefty-loosey all the way around. I found this 4-in-1 tool, which also has a tap that you can tap threads with, or a thread repair that you can repair the outer threads with, that the tap doesn't want to fit inside of my spokes. But that's okay, I just worked with it and it worked. Okay? I took this completely out. Here's the actual bottle I used yesterday. Open the cap. You have to open this cap, take off the little paper head, put this cap back on, and then you can just squirt this right into your stem, which was really cool. I just squirted it right in there till the whole bottle was gone. This is the empty. This is the spare. Then I did, put my stem back in, used my 4-in-1 tool, and went righty-tighty, just to put it back on, righty-tighty. Had to deal with this. The hardest part of this whole thing was dealing with the way this doesn't want to fit in between the spokes. But it was all good, it all worked. Okay, now I had a flat tire, but it was full of stands. So what I did was turn on my bike, give it a good spin, leaned it over, spun it this way, spun it that way. Took it to the gas station, filled it up with air, rode it for probably 3 miles yesterday, and now here we are today. Plenty of air. It worked great. This tire was completely flat. So I just want to say thanks to the people at Stands for saving me the trouble of removing all of these cables and wires from my e-bike. And that's it for me, you guys. Have a great day.